If you're a business and you want to grow online, you definitely have to use AI agents in order to do that. And in the world of AI, High Level has introduced multiple AI agents. And guess what? We are going to implement this exact same thing inside this video. So if you want to learn as to how to implement AI agents and AI chatbot, make sure you watch the video till the end. So as you can see inside the high level AI agents, we have different kinds of AI agents available. For example, you have voice AI agent, conversational AI, agent templates, content AI, all of that is powered by AI tools. Now, it's very important that your AI agents know the right specific question and the right specific answer in order for it to giving the right specific information to your customers. So that whenever they come on the website, ask you any kind of any kind of questions over email or over a chat, over SMS, whatever the medium is, the bot is able to reply with the right specific information and has an intent for it to achieve a certain goal, which we're going to cover in the later coming videos. But the most important part of all of this is the information, which is I also call as the agent brain. If you want to implement the agent's brain, you have to focus on the knowledge base. The knowledge base is the area where you have to create the knowledge, and so that the AI can take a reference from in order for it to implement whenever an active chat session is going on. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the knowledge base here, and we are going to now add our knowledge details. So as you can see, on this is basically the interface. On the top right hand side, you will be able to see something called as create knowledge base. We're going to click on create knowledge base here, and here you have to give an information about the details. So this knowledge base I'm going to call as roofing website one, right? Roofing website one, you can add a description if you want, but I just want to add the same stuff here, right? And then I'm going to click on add. Now with this, have created a brand new knowledge base called as roofing website one, and here you'll be able to see some options. For here, you'll be able to see everything in detail about what kind of knowledge bases you have. So you have a web crawler, which basically means that you can add a website link, a URL of any kind that's publicly available. So the web crawler can go in and then access all the information that's available. For example, you can add a website, a document which has all the listings available, the details available, and any other publicly resources available on the web for it to scroll through and then gather the information. You can add an FAQ if you want to in order for the basic questions that you already have listed. So the people when asked these questions, the bot can actually basically answer it, and you can already deploy it in this FAQ section. We also have tables. Tables is where if you have a pricing comparison, feature comparison table, then this is the right place for you to add those kind of tables, so that the AI can reference that particular table and give the right information to your customers in different platforms and mediums. So what we're going to do is we are going to add a web crawler, and we are also going to add an FAQ, and I'm going to help you understand exactly how the system works. First things first, we are going to add a website. As you can see, you can also click on this particular button or the button on the right hand side. So if you click on this particular button, it's going to ask you the exact URL. So it has exact URLs, all URLs within the path, all URLs in this domain. Just use exact URL and you should be good. So I've already created a premium website inside High Levels AI Studio, and this looks absolutely stunning. The website name is Apex Roof, and this is one of the premium projects that I've already done inside AI Studio. By the way, we also run a high level, funnel and website design agency. So if you're trying to create these kind of premium AI Studio websites and funnels, that's when you can come here in pritam.com and schedule a free appointment with me. Apart from that, let's go back and let me help understand exactly what you're going to do. So we're going to take the preview link here, and then we're going to simply add this preview link here, and then I'm going to ask the AI bot to train on this particular page. Now, the moment I add this, you will be able to see it says in progress, which basically means that it's already doing its part in order to crawl and then train this entire bot in order to do it. As you can see, within a few seconds, it was able to train this entire bot based on the website I created. And that's it. Apart from that, I also have a document which I have created. As you can see, this is Apex Roofing website knowledge base for AI bot, and this knowledge base has literally everything based on what is the business overview, what are the main website purpose, right, the ideal customer types. It also has core value proposition, main roofing services that we are offering, which is super important, right, which contains literally everything, and we have details of every single ones. We also have the common pain point that customers face, the website section is explained properly, right? So yeah, so there's suggested bot, conversation flow, literally everything that you need inside a knowledge base is available here. So what you're going to do is we are going to click on this share button and make sure that this is not private. So we're going to click on the share button and make sure instead of restricted, we make it anyone with a link, and they can view and rate it. I'll just make sure that they can comment or edit this one, right? And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this particular link here, and then I'm going to add inside my knowledge base. So I'm going to click on add a website here, and instead of this particular previous URL, I'm going to add this Google document. This is super helpful, guys. All your knowledge base, all your details, just add it to a Google document and then ask it to train. It might take some time because it's quite big. It's almost around, let me see. So we have around 19 pages, so it might take some time, but that's exactly what's happening. When I just gave it here, as you can see, it's already training there because I already crawled it and now it's getting trained. And this is exactly how you will be able to train your AI bots and your AI systems to learn about who you are, what do you do, what kind of pain points you have, how can you help them, and what are the information required in order to do so. Once the AI bots get trained, you can then pick and select a selective knowledge base for all your AI agents. Now that's when the game changes. Now let's wait for some time in order to add it, and then we are going to ask a few questions in order to see whether it's going to work or not. Right. So within a few minutes, as you can see, it was able to, crawl through the entire website, and it also was able to train it. Now, let me quickly open this action, view scrape documents, and here you'll be able to see that it has all kinds of information from the website, and it also has information from the knowledge base, which I provided in terms of a document. And it has literally everything that I possibly need, and this is amazing. Apart from it, I will now also going to do another test, which is going to be, I'm going to go to the FAQ section and then I'm going to add a few FAQs. So let me quickly go inside my page builder here, sorry, my AI bot here, and I'm going to ask it to give me 5 important FAQs that people might have questions to, right? And it's going to give me some FAQs which I'm going to just quickly add it inside this account, which is important because these are going to be the simple questions that people normally ask. So if you're a business owner, you as well might as well know as to what are the 5, 10, 15, 20 important questions that people might ask or generally ask or the commonly asked questions, and those are the important questions that you need to add here inside the FAQ. So for example here, do I need a roof repair or a full roof replacement? Just click on add an FAQ here. This is where your question goes, and this is where your entire answer goes, right? So you can ask yourself if you are the same business owner that you're going to do it, or you can ask your client in order to add these kind of FAQ systems, right? So how much does a new roof cost? And again, these are very simple, basic questions that normally people ask on a daily basis, and that's exactly what we are going to do in order to add it, so that it doesn't have to refer the entire crawl data. Rather, it can just go to the FAQs, do its own research and just simply ask and get the answer questions, right? So that's what we're going to do here. Let me quickly go back and add everything here. So we have around 3, 4, 5. I mean, 5 is like really less, but you could add like 15, 20, 30, literally depending on how many questions people might have. And you can also improve it. So for example, you've already added 10, but somebody someday you came across a question that people might want to have, so you can just update the knowledge base here in the FAQ and add that particular question, and the AI will have the knowledge for it to implement that particular answer and give it to the customers. All right, now, so the first question is, how do I need to repair the roof, or I need a full replacement? How much does it going to cost? Can you help me with storm damage insurance claims? How does a roof replacement usually take? What should I do if my roof is leaking? So yeah, let's quickly test this entire thing out and see whether it's working well or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this particular trust retrieval, right? So I'm going to click on that, and you can ask literally anything you want, right? So I'm going to ask, can I claim insurance for my roof damage, right? So can I click insurance claim for my roof damage? And let's see what exactly it does, right? So the answers are very simple, right? So for example, when I ask it a question, it finds 5 answer retrieved. Strong match, your knowledge base can answer this confidently, right? Because it already has an FAQ, it's also checking the web crawler and going through everything here. So yeah, it's already has this particular answer. Now, how much does a roof replacement is going to cost? Let me ask this particular question now, right? Again, so it also gave me around 5 questions, 5 answers. So again, we have strong match here. Your knowledge base can answer this confidently, right? And this is based on the FAQ and the web crawler here. Let me think about more questions. Do I need to replace my roof, or can we, repair my roof? Okay, remove that. All right, let's ask this particular question again. It has a strong match, right? So do I replace my roof or replacement? Again, FAQs are here, web crawler here, right? So all of this is here. This is where you can test and see whether your knowledge base is working fine or not. If any day you come across a question that you feel like, this is an important question and I must add it for the AI bot to answer it over any kind of medium like, AI website chat widget, SMS, Facebook, Instagram, as well as on your emails, then this is a great place to start and a great place to update. Okay, so since we have done all of this, we're able to successfully mention that, okay, we are now able to add everything here so that when people come on and interact with the AI bot, it can answer all these questions. So thank you for watching the video so that you learned about the web crawler here as well as the FAQs and the other stuff, including the knowledge base. In the next video, I'm going to show it to you how can you create an entire AI agent bot so that it can do all your job with himself. Hey, wait, are you somebody who wants to learn high level from scratch? Whether you are starting with high level and have no clue as to how you want to use this platform in order to grow your business, or somebody who's already been using high level for a while but is looking for mentorship, training, and coaching surrounded by community members which can help you grow, then High Level Lab is the perfect solution for your business. This is a private community designed by me based on my 5 years of experience with High Level and 7 years of combined experience into the marketing space. However, the High Level Lab is free only for now. As you can see, after 500 members, I'm going to make this community paid. This is a one stop solution for you to get everything that you are looking for as a beginner as well as somebody who's already started using high level. Whether you're looking for free training, client acquisition strategies, automation workflow tutorials, or premium snapshot which you can import in your high level account in order to grow, this is the exact solution and exact community. I will have the link in the description box as well as in the comment section. Make sure you click on it and get access to the high level lab community.